This is a slide. I prepared here 3 tries on the same slide, and as you can see, this is the oil immersion, but I'm choosing the binocular of this instead of this one because it might be too much in this. So let's try magnification 10 with the oil, so it's like 2500. I don't remember, so I need to calculate it after the this video. So it's oil immersion times 10 instead of 25. I will write down under the description the exact magnification. So as you can see, I just need to, let's see. This is almost 100% a cell, because all of those stuff inside, it's not like bacteria that can float around into different directions. They are all still inside and in the same position. They are just moving. So what it tells me that this is some kind of a movement inside this cell. So probably the plant cell and not like other kind of organism. And on the upper in diagonal, you can see like a very long shape, and inside of it like a tube. So what I believe that this is where the water or other stuff are being drawn and or got from the leaf to the plant itself, or back to the leaf if whatever, if those are shoots for water or sugar. So I believe that this is like some kind of a tube. And this is a cell alongside of it. And you can see those things inside of inside of this like few circle shapes are pretty much in the same position, and I believe that those are chlorophylls, and there is some kind of a movement because probably something is happening inside the cell. Interesting, very, very interesting. I believe that I'm almost positive that this is a cell. Now I'm going to go back one magnification less, and now you can see all of it in much broader, wider view. And you can see that this line diagonal is like segmented. So maybe those are so those shoots are being made of different kind of cells that are elongated. Let's try to go to a different section. Let's go here and to the lowest part of this chunk. Interesting. I believe that I know what is this on the bottom, so let's focus on this one, for instance. This is, I believe, where I don't remember the name of it. I will check it out later. But this is where air can come inside the leaf, because it needs CO2 and oxygen for the sugar production. So I believe that this is one of those systems. Clearly, I went to the upper section where I didn't want to reach at that point, but let's see this, for instance, for now. So this is another cell for sure. You see how this little one attached to the other ones. in a very precise manner. So this is our single cell for sure of this plant. And if there is other stuff in between, there might be microorganisms or some kind of debris floating around. But this is a single cell, and I believe that all of those movements is because it's producing energy and other stuff as well. Now I'm going down to the place that I actually wanted to show you before. This one. Yes, it looks like a mouth, like an entry. So this is how the plant is supposed to breathe in a way. But it's hard because it's being here with others, with many other cells, so it's very chunky, so you cannot basically see it very well. But this is awesome. I know now that I was successful finally to produce a reasonable. Now what you can see here, that all of those are a chunk of cells, and you can see how they are well arranged in a geometrical shape. Not any cells it's the same diameter, the same size, the same amount of sides. Some of them are more rectangular, some are other kind, more like triangle, but they are all organized in some kind of a unique structure. So what I know now, that I was able to find a suitable, decent, here you can see things are floating around. Maybe it's microorganisms. Or not. And this is another single cell of the plant. Maybe the large circle here, it's the nucleus. Hard to tell. Because most of the cells supposed to be transparent, so I shouldn't be able to see it very good, but I can see the green because this is the chlorophyll. So I'm not sure in each and every single part of this cell which is what, but oh, this is very, very awesome. It's like a circle inside another tiny circle. So this is a very big success. Now I'm going to go back to 2 steps back. And this is where was my this is where you were able to look at, and I can go to other places and to see other cool stuff as well, to see if those mouths for the plant to be able to breathe, not like really breathe like we are, but more like to be able to grab CO2 and release oxygen and all sorts of other stuff. Now I can go to the other side of the slide where there is a big chunk of leaf. Here you are. But I will go to here on the end of it. Maybe it will be less thick. Oh, this is interesting. Now I will be able to see in a very good, precise manner the shape of the leaf, how the cells are aligned. It's like building blocks. Once one brick onto another. Those are maybe already dyed. But as you can see, no, it's still here. This is beautiful. Those are the cells. Wow. It's harder to see in the greens area because it's much thicker. So I'm going to do another highest magnification with the again I need to, this is many debris, probably in all another I need to go down. I don't know, now I don't see it anymore. Why every time it's hard to be able to get fixed on this very important position? Oh, maybe this is gonna be even better. You know what? Let's try. No, I don't want this. It will be too much. I want to be able to fix on this position. And try to understand. It should be here. Nice. This is it. So you can see every single transparent shape. Every single of this is a different cell. It's transparent because might be it's the cell wall and the rest of the cells have been destroyed, but this is clearly different cells. Now I'm gonna go back and I will try to look for the lower section now. Maybe this will yield better view, I don't know. This is what I'm trying to get fixed right now. It's very hot in here in my room. I need to turn on the air conditioner, but at least I want to finish this beforehand because I'm already recording the video and I'm trying to at least finish this video completely. Yes, kind of. It's not easy to, it's very thick, even this state is quite thick, but I guess it's manageable. What about here? Not so much. No, I'll return to where I've been and I will see both of those structures. So the upper section, geometrical, those are dead cells, and here are some live ones. Okay, this is it. I will try to show you better pictures at another time. Once I will be able to find better places, but this is for now. So bye bye and take care.